Hey everybody, it's Kelly, and today is day 14. Today is the day that I document my Christmas card. So here's my card. I even signed it like I did for everybody I sent them to, or most people that I sent them to, because sometimes I was doing a little bit of letter writing. And I've pre-punched this, so what that'll do is that's going to lay in between the two pages right there. So this is the page from yesterday. You'll notice I had to change the candy cane layout here because I made room for the red one, but I forgot when I got down here that I had two candy canes to think about. So anyway, change that up a little bit. This is actually the little tag from the basket that'll lay on one of the rings too, right on top of that. You know, two different buffalo checks, fine. So I think this will be pretty easy color-wise because they're very similar. They have very, very similar colors. So I'm using a 2 3x4 and 1 4x6 page protector today. And I did find, and I knew I had this one, that says, embracing all the moments of this holiday season, because gosh knows, this holiday season is really different for most of us than it normally is. And this is a tradition that I like to do. I usually take this photo somehow on this particular table with something behind it of the cards and that kind of thing. And I just realized that I have my nephew's address on it. So hang on a second. I know I won't use this. I meant to do this prior. You know how we do this every so often. Okay. So the important thing is that you can't see that. So I just don't want to, you know, throw that out there on the internet. That would not be a good thing. Hang on. I'm going to change this just a little bit. There we go. Okay. Hold on a second. I'm going to use a little bit of tape here too, just to kind of keep this tape down. I don't think they'd appreciate if I put that out there. Might be hard. It might have been hard to read, but you know, if we have weird stalkers out there, right? Okay, anyway, so sorry, that's going to be a little bit hard, and I'll try to, when I take that photo, I'm going to have to like throw something over the top of that, maybe something green or something like that, so that at least it doesn't disturb the colors totally. So I don't think I'm going to put anything on this photograph anyway, because it comes down towards the bottom. So close, the envelopes are like sitting right here. So there's not like a lot of room on this photograph. I even mailed them in inside my post office because I had some packages to mail as well. So I'm using, you know, the old fashioned, the old bronze letter box that's there. So I thought that was kind of cool. I do have obviously my red and green stickers here for the date. So I'm thinking maybe down here would be kind of interesting. I also, now that I think about it, could just put it up on here. I'm going to do that because I think that'll be something a little bit, I don't know about different, but yeah, I guess it's different. Then that date will sit somewhere else. And the card is what this is all about, right? So that'll sit there. All right, then I grabbed my sticker sheets. I have my sheets here with all the different chipboard stickers. I guess that's what these are. There is something here about the tradition, one of our favorites. Now, I'm not an R, which that kind of annoys me when they do that, but it is what it is. So I'm thinking I'm going to put that right there. Now, I know we have a little bit of gray here, and I don't have much gray on this. The other place to put it is up here. I've also thought about this. I didn't like it so much when that was sitting there and this was here like this. I almost feel like I need to do, and well, there's a nice one that says Christmas tradition here. That could go up here. Let's do that. I'm going to put this one up here because I didn't like the gray down there competing with the brown card. I'm glad I caught that. Not that it would have been the end of the world or anything like that, but it is kind of nice that I caught that. I also have this December. Okay, was thinking about that, but no. Okay, so we have the Christmas tradition up there on a piece of that. That doesn't make so much sense. I want something down here yet. I could do something up here, maybe up in that spot. Like the December. The other thing, now that I think about it, is I did grab, I haven't used these because I think they got put in my my envelopes, and I forgot about this. These are just these are the die cuts from this year combined with die cuts from other years. And now that I think about it, there's a little green bow here, and that would be kind of cute at the end of that. Plus, I have plenty of room on that to add a little bow on that photo there. So I'm just gonna pop this on there right kind of in the middle. It's kind of hanging off of it, kind of like a wreath or something, right? Or something. Okay, if I wanted to, I could pop a little enamel dot there. I don't have my rhinestones out handy, but that would be a good place for that. I do have green pearls. That might be kind of fun. Kind of scatter those around. I use these so rarely, it's kind of nice to get them on something. There we go. And then I'll have to put them down here on something too. So let's look, what could I do? There's that little banner, which would be nice. And that then would sit okay. Oh, here's another sticker. There's a sticker here that says Happy Mail. So what if I pop this in the middle? And then I'm thinking 2 smaller of these little dots here. These pearls. That would be a pearl, not a dot. And that's pretty simple. Now I'm just going to take a peek at this to see if I can pop anything on anywhere. Just so it's just so close here. I could do joy up here. Hold on a second. Yeah, I think I'll do that with a little pearl. So let's see. So that looks kind of like that. And then just one of these little pearls here for something a little different. I don't think I've used any of those this time. And that's okay if I don't. So then I have the writing to do. I have that to tuck in there as well. And that's as simple as today is, you guys. This is not like a lot of embellishment and a lot of, doesn't have to be a lot of time. How about that? So anyway, all right, so there's day 14. Along with that, I will be back again tomorrow. Bye, everybody.